Casey.
Ladies, what's
Levi.
our van life dilemma?
Somehow, every time we go on a long trip, we just keep growing our family.
We're having another kid! Woo! Did you know that Janelle really likes beer?
Do you?
She loves beer.
Do you actually like beer?
I do.
Oh, I make Emma drink every beer I have.
I don't love all kinds of beer.
Well,
Do you-
a lot of beers
she
I don't
hates
like.
it.
Do you know why she's not drinking beer?
What did you say?
She's breastfeeding?
No.
Are you pregnant again?
No, you're not. No.
That's insane!
How was van life with the baby dog?
Good enough that we're having another.
What?
Actually?
What? That's so fun!
So Janelle, my wife, she loves beer.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, but she hasn't been drinking any lately.
Okay, that's too bad.
Yeah, she's pregnant again.
What? Really?
Yeah, for real.
Oh, dude! That's awesome. You know how you asked me if we plan on having other kids?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're pregnant again.
Are you actually serious?
Actually serious?
What? Oh my god, dude, that's amazing.
Janelle was bummed because she hasn't been drinking any beer.
Are you pregnant?
Ember's been confused lately why her dad drinks beer but her mom does not.
What?
I'm pregnant.
Janelle actually can't have beer right now.
Do you want me to keep yours in the fridge?
Janelle can't have beer right now.
My goodness!
That didn't go as smoothly as it's gone some other times, but... So good, how are you?
Oh, don't be frightened.
Say hi.
It's just Uncle Casey here.
Say hi, Casey. I've got some fun family news to share. You got a second?
Sure do.
Janelle. So a year ago was basically when your two girls were climbing around in our van in California. And I thought two kids looked so fun. So,
Oh,
Super pregnant.
shouldn't have. I don't know if anybody warned you guys, but one is 1, 2 is 10. How are you gonna fit everybody in the Sprinter?
well, I'll have to make bunk beds for the girls or something, but that little bench seat has 2 seat belts. So, but we are back in the Fraser Valley. We've got a little home base here, so we haven't really had like a place that we're renting in a long time.
Yeah, like 2 years or something like that.
Does that mean van life is over? Is it done?
No, we gotta like some stuff to figure out. Building the van, we wanted to be able to take kids in it, so yeah.
Kids plural? We always plan to have multiple kids?
Kids?
So even though it was always our plan to have a little family, it was never our plan to give birth while living in a van.
Oh gosh, no.
And even the whole living in a van language, we've always felt more like van travelers,
Yeah, not necessarily van lifers.
where we sell all of our stuff and just go full nomad in the van. Yeah, I wanted to do, like last time we got pregnant with little Ember, we didn't even tell our channel until after Ember was born. One of my favorite videos from last year was the video I made about Ember's birth, which was
Pretty special.
very special. this time around I wanted to do it a little different, and I was kind of overthinking how to do an announcement video on the channel. And I was trying to come up with a concept like how do we spring it on people?
Yeah, and somehow you came up with beer. Like the fact that I can't drink beer because I'm pregnant, and you make it sound like I like love drinking beer or something.
Do you not like drinking beer?
Well, I enjoy a beer, but I didn't even like beer until I met you.
I gotta set up a light. Ember, light coming through. Hello. Here's a light. We're pushing it with Ember's nap time. She's definitely coming up on it. What are you doing, Kale? and we truthfully, we're trying to figure out how we're gonna include kids in the online life in the things that we make. We don't know exactly how we're gonna tackle that.
Yeah, there's a lot of decisions to make on that front.
I mean, it could be possible that you don't see much of the kids at all going forward. We go full Casey Neistat, no faces. Or maybe it's just like an occasional thing. But obviously, we want our kids to grow up as their own people and not have the pressures of online life before they can even talk. That seems exhausting.
Yeah, but at the same time, we want footage for ourselves of our family, and so we'll continue to document and then share as we see fit.
That's a good way to put it. Over the winter season, Nick and I have been working hard away at some new slackline content. That's a big deal. This is my first time saying it on the channel. Usually, whoa!
I didn't know it was the first time. Woo, that's it.
Janelle's been hearing me talk about slacklining stuff for months now, but we've got new slacklining stuff coming to the channel. We've shared the teaser with it months ago now with our channel members, and we're going to be getting a lot louder about it in the weeks and months moving forward. So it's at that weird stage where I put so much time into stuff that isn't public right now, so it feels like I haven't been doing that much.
It feels like a waste of time until it's shared.
Yes, until it's actually out there. But we're very excited about it, and I just massively appreciate the channel members. So
thank you to those who are members and are watching this right now.
That's going to be it for this video.
And remember,
Life's better when you make stuff. Peace.